If you're looking for a quick guide on how to roll back a deployed site on Netlify, then this video is for you. Here's one of my applications on Netlify, so let's check it out. After I updated the navbar, I noticed that the links seem to disappear into the background when I hover over them, like this. So I'll go back to my Netlify dashboard. I'll find the last production deploy. I'll click on publish and I'll publish the site again. Now, if I come back to my published site and refresh the page, I should find that my links are working again as expected. And that is how you roll back a deployed site on Netlify.